Hi, I'm John Arnsdorf, and welcome to an Introduction to QR Codes with XMPie. In this session, I'm going to explain what a QR code is and how XMPie can be used to easily create and integrate them into a cross-media campaign. When incorporated into one-to-one marketing communications, smartphone-toting recipients can scan and decode QR codes and be automatically linked to websites, videos, social media sites, and more. For print providers, they offer a unique way to use the print component to drive a response through other media and continue the conversation. So what's the benefit of using XMPie when creating QR codes? Simply put, with the XMPie system, there is no room for error because our software creates and images the code in the same step. Our unique technology enables users to create personalized codes for each recipient and ensures the appropriate code is printed on each mail piece. Additionally, by being built into the core technology, the process of building campaigns to use QR codes is simple and efficient. And because it is a single solution, our software can track and analyze all variable elements in all touchpoints across all mediums. Creating a personalized QR code with XMPie can be accomplished in 5 easy steps. First, open the static art in InDesign. Then, link your data source. Next, create a new content object and define the information that will be encoded. Then, create a graphic box on the design where the QR code will go. And lastly, select the graphic box and double-click the content object to link the two together. Now let me show you how it's done. I've already opened up InDesign, so let's go ahead and select the art file that we'll be working with today. Now this particular touch point is a direct mail piece being sent to recipients, and it's going to use a QR code to drive them to a website so that they can sign up to receive future offers. After the file has been opened, let's use the XMPie drop-down menu and link to the data source. After selecting the data file that will be used for this particular touch point, we'll go ahead and create a new variable content object that will be used to drive the QR code. Once the rule editor window has been opened, we'll give this new rule a name, select extended function so that our QR code function shows up in the drop-down menu, and then define the parameters that will be used to encode the QR code. We have a static portion of the response URL, and we're going to use a variable bit of information to distinguish each unique person. After that's been done, I'll say OK. And you can see that the new variable content object has been created. Our second step is to create a graphic box where we want the QR code to go. I'll go ahead and create a box here. And then we just need to double-click the Adore object in order for it to be linked to the new graphic box. As you can see, the QR code has been placed at its default size. We're going to want to go ahead and enlarge that so that it fills the box that we've defined. If I right-click on the graphic box and select Dynamic Graphic Properties, I'll have a drop-down menu where I can pick Fit Proportionally and Centered. Once I accept that selection, you'll see that the QR code has now enlarged and it fits the box that we've defined for it. I can also scroll through the records and we can see how the QR code changes with each recipient's information. As I mentioned earlier, each recipient is going to have their own unique QR code that's going to drive them to their own personalized URL. If we zoom back out to see the entire piece, you can now see how easy it is to incorporate a personalized QR code into the design of a printed variable data piece. For more information about QR codes and other XMPie solutions, visit us online at www.xmpie.com or contact your local XMPie sales specialist.